So Realme is going to launch a new smartwatch called Realme Watch S Pro. It's not much different from Realme Watch in the sense that it's still a smart band prioritizing battery life while offering the base set of features. But it does offer some major improvements from Realme Watch, like the design is changed, it's now circular, it's got AMOLED display, GPS and few more stuff which I'm gonna tell you right after this. First of all, let's start with the design. As spotted on the FCC website, the images seems to confirm two crowns on the right side of the wearable, with one being a button as well as the circular watch face. The whole watch weighs 63.5 grams, that is strap included, and measures 46.1 mm in diameter and it's 12.8 mm thick. About its display, the Realme Watch S Pro packs a 1.39-inch AMOLED display with 445 by 445 pixel resolution. So the display will be bright, colorful with a sharp resolution that's easy to see both indoors and outdoors. Additionally, there is always-on feature available. This watch offers 420 mAh battery which will definitely last more than 14 days. We will tell you more once Realme launches it officially. There's also the much required SpO2 sensor and an optical heart rate sensor. The new wearable is also set to launch with features like step, distance, calorie, heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, meditation functionality, camera and music control, and GPS plus GLONASS so that you can rely less on your smartphone for location. And as I said before, this is not a complete smartwatch, so you can't make or receive call. At least that's what we think, since there is no mention of speaker and mic. So all it can do is show you the notification for call. Anyways, about its launch, Realme has not officially set a date for the release of the Watch S Pro, only saying that it will be out in 4th quarter. That means anytime in next 3 months it will launch. So what are your thoughts about this watch? Do let me know via comments, and as always, catch you guys in the next one.